Hello children, welcome back to the next learning. And today we are going to learn about a new prose which is titled as A Soldier's Son, which was written by Mrs. Shobha Ghosh. And today we are going to learn about some of the details about the author and pre-reading activity and also half of the lesson. And some of the new words and its meaning will be learned. Okay children, let's start with the learning details about the author. Shobha Ghosh, PhD, is the Associate Chairperson for Research in the Department of Internal Medicine at VCU Medical Center. She received her MS degree in Clinical Biochemistry from Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research in Chandigarh, India, before obtaining her PhD degree in Biochemistry from the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. After completing her first post-doctoral training at Biochemistry at VCU Medical Center, she was appointed as an assistant professor in the Department of Internal Medicine in 1999, where she is now a professor of medicine. She is also a professor of physiology since 2008. She has published 48 papers originating from the research performed directly from her laboratory and presented her work at the national and international conferences. In recognition of her research endeavors, she received DOIM Faculty Award for Distinguished Research in 2004. Okay, now let's start a pre-reading activity. Read the passage given below at home and be ready to listen to your teacher's narration of it in class. Then you have to answer her questions. The other day, I read in a newspaper about a brave act of a small girl. This girl, Amina, saw a child slip and fall into the sump. Without a moment's hesitation, she jumped into the sump. The sump was 6 feet deep and full. Amina is 3 feet and she just jumped, holding her breath and wildly kicking her feet. She somehow managed to throw the child out and then she climbed up. Both the mothers came running. Ramachandra's mother hugged Amina and dried her hair with the end of her sari. Amina's mother tended the gasping child. Lakshmi hugged Amina again and again and shed tears on her head. Both women are laborers in that building site. This is bravery. Children, are you understanding the story? What is happening there? A child slip and fall into a sump. What do you mean by sump? Sump means reserve of oil is stored. And by seeing that, Amina, what she is doing? Just she is jumping and holding her breath and wildly kicking her feet. Somehow she is managing to throw the child out and then she climbed up. Amina was done a bravery work. By seeing it, both mothers were running and coming and hugging Amina and shedding tears on her. They were very happy of the good deed, the bravery deed done by Amina. The same way, now the story you are going to read tells you about another kind of bravery. It tells you about a young boy's passionate will to save his country from enemy attack. The boy performs a deed of patriotism. So, children, listen to the readings and understand the explanations. First one, the plane was veering and shuddering in the sky. It was losing height rapidly and hurtling towards earth. It would be a matter of minutes before it crashed. A figure fell out of the fiery object that was plummeting down to earth. A white structure mushroomed and opened like a flower in the sky, and the man floated gently down with the wind to the ground. Here, what do you mean by veering? Veering means change direction suddenly. What do you mean by shuddering? Shuddering means shake violently. And what do you mean by hurtling? Hurtling means move very fast. What is the meaning of plummeting? Plummet means fall steeply or suddenly. And next, second paragraph. A small boy, 10 or 12 years old, had been watching the plane for some time. The boy emerged from the clump of trees. He had seen the plane shot down by enemy fire and the pilot parachute down from the flaming plane. He came out from the darkness of the trees and reached the wounded pilot. He says, "Come with me, sir. The enemy will be here any minute. There is no time to lose. There is an army camp nearby. You will be safe there." The pilot staggered, tried to take 2 or 3 steps, but collapsed to the ground. "I can't walk. My legs are probably fractured. Can you do something for me?" The child could see it was with great effort that the man could talk. "Yes, sir, I will do anything you want." "You are small, better don't take a chance," he muttered under his breath. "Not a chance, sir, a certainty. What do you want me to do?" The man's hands were bleeding. He fumbled inside his pocket and took out a packet of papers. "Take this to the commanding officer of the army unit," he said. "Tell him this must reach the Air Force Station Ambala by this night. Tell him to take care of it and make sure it reaches Ambala on time. Now run for your life. You must avoid the enemy. Will you be able to do it?" "Yes, sir, I will do it, but the enemy will catch you." "Don't worry about me. I can escape. I will try and distract them. You run and hand over the packet." "Yes, sir," said the boy with a smart salute. The man could not help smiling, although he was grimacing with the pain of his injuries. He began to crawl away from the boy in the opposite direction. Here, children, when the boy asked if he could help, the pilot asked him to deliver the packet of papers to the commanding officer of the army unit at Air Force Station, Ambala. Boy delivered the packet of papers to commander and also helped to trace the enemies. What do you mean by grimacing? Grimacing means twisted expression on a person's face. What do you mean by streaked? Streaking means a long thin mark. Now the 12th point is the small figure streaked across the open space back to the trees from which it had emerged. The enemy, however, had seen him. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him. The cartridges fell everywhere around him. The child ran fast and was lost to sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. What do you mean by crawling? Crawling means move very slowly along. A few minutes later, a little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. "Take me to the commander, Sahib. There is something I have to deliver him." "Little boy, you cannot go to the commander, Sahib. No one is allowed to go to his room unless it is very important. What I have is very important," said the boy. "It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down." "You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him?" Children, here we see the bravery act of a boy and his courageous what he is showing. Usually, nobody was allowed to meet the commander without any important matter, and here the boy is willingly coming forward to see the commander, Sahib. The sentry post of the army unit was not allowing the boy to enter, but still boy is telling, "What I have is very important. It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down." "You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him?" "Yes," he says. And the continuation will be taught in the next class. So children, read the lesson and find out 25 new words and its meanings and write in your homework book. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay safe at home.